Generally, bid opening process is carried out by bid opening committee where the committee opens the sealed tenders in the presence of authorized representatives of the bidders at the time. Here, the same procedure can be followed in the e-procurement system also. The sealed bids are opened online by authorized openers of that tender. As in our example, we are having one e-tender to be opened today. So until the bid opening time is reached, these bids are secure and hence cannot be viewed by any of the bidders as well as departmental personnel. As we know that we have selected two bid openers at the time of tender creation. Bid opening process is restricted to these two openers only. Here in this case it is Isaac and Srikumar. Hence, to open the tender, we need to log in as either one of the above listed openers. First, log into the e-procurement account as Isaac using the login ID, password and digital signature. After getting into the dashboard, click the Tenders button shown in the bid opening section. In the following page, all tenders published by the department which are yet to be opened will be listed. The upper section will list all tenders that need to be on that particular day, while the lower section will list all pending to be opened tenders. A server clock is also shown on the top of the page for checking the time. Here we can see a view button on the right side of each listed tender which will only appear after the bid opening time. In this example, the tender has reached the opening date and hence is ready to be opened. So to proceed, click the view button of the listed tender. The next page will be the bid decryption page, showing the tender details along with the icons of authorized bid openers for the tender. Here in this case, it is Isaac KV and Srikumar MS. These icons will have a round mark like indicators and a white space on the bottom. These indicators will have a red color at present. As a logged in user is also an opener, a decrypt button will appear in the white space. To proceed, click the decrypt button which will show the list of all participated bidders in that tender. Click proceed button and wait for some time until a message dialog showing decryption completed successfully appears. Then click OK, which will return you to the bid decryption page. A notable change is that the red color indicator will turn to green color, confirming the unlocking process. As we have selected the number of openers as 2 of 2, we need to proceed with the decryption process by logging in as the second bid opener. Here in this case, it is Srikumar MS so as to open the sealed bids. After both indicators turn color from red to green for both openers, as shown in the bid decryption page, a new button called the Open Bid will appear at the bottom corner of the page. Now we can open the sealed tenders with or without the presence of bidders. On clicking the Open Bid button, a new page will appear showing the tender details and a list of active bidders who participated in the tender. For opening bid documents of each other, click on the log button found on the right side of the particular bidder. Here as an example, click the log button of the first bidder. The next page will have the bid details of the first bidder, which includes the payment transaction status, bid document list asked by the department with a verify link on each item. Here, some of the notable items for department users are the payment transaction status, which the department need to verify whether it is success or failure. This status will display success only if the required tender amount has reached e-procurement account. Payment details such as transaction ID, total remitted amount, bid reference number, etc. of such bidders can be seen by clicking the View Details link. Other cases like rejected payment, delayed payment will display the status as failure. If the bidder has availed EMD exemption applicable to that tender, the supporting documents like the scanned copy of the exemption certificate can be downloaded from this page for verification. On the right side of each document, there is a verify link and document status which will show as yet to verify on the first time. To open each of the bid documents, click Verify link shown on the right side of each document such as preliminary agreement, tender document, etc. In the next page, the documents uploaded by the bidder can be viewed by clicking the View Document link shown beside the item description. Here you open each document, select the status as admitted or rejected, and then provide a reasonable comment in the text field. Say for this example, opened or admitted, or any comments or recommendations given by the bid opening committee. Here the rejection status occurs only if the payment transaction status shows failure. Then save or submit the comment. Here the system will return to the bid document list in which the document status will change from yet to verify to admitted or rejected. Likewise, every document is to be verified until we get each document status as admitted. Then we click Submit or Save to proceed the same process with the next bidder. Finally, you will get to the active bidder list page with all the lock buttons changed to unlock button. Here also we can see the bid opener's name for each bidder list for confirming the opened status. After opening all the bid documents, click Next to proceed. On clicking Next, you will get a dialog box showing do you want to update, which you need to click OK to go to the next page. In the next page, a final list of bidders along with their status as admitted or rejected will be shown in the page. Next, click to proceed. Here in the next page, a text field will appear where a brief bid opening summary should be entered. Here as an example, we would enter the summary as 2 valid responses found and admitted to technical evaluation process. Also, a summary document providing the bid opening details in minutes format should be uploaded and signed by using the upload bar shown below the summary text field. After uploading the signed bid opening summary document, verify the document by clicking the Verify button. Finally, click the Next button to complete the bid opening process. Here, by completing the process, various SMS or email notifications are automatically sent to the bidders regarding the tender status. Also, the same status can be viewed by the public by making use of the tender status option.